Listen.
And wanted to do the nasty. So I knew I had a sense that was wrong. I had a sense that was wrong, but I didn't know it was my boyfriend. That's my boyfriend.
That's her boyfriend. That's her boyfriend.
And God knows the truth.
G.O.D.
And no, I don't like sin.
She don't like sin.
I got tangled up in the gay life.
She got tangled up in the gay life.
Doing stuff against God.
Doing stuff against Jesus.
I never liked it no woman. I just got caught up.
She got caught up. She
I
like
never had no desire for no
The
woman.
next stop is Pacific Station.
Had no desire for no woman. But I can tell you this, demons are real. Spirits are real. Because it had me losing my identity. It had me cutting off my hair off. It had me in the mirror talking about I look good as a man.
This stop is Pacific Station. This stop is Pacific Station.